I am Gabriel Osher. I'm inspired, motivated, passionate, and ready to work towards the water crisis solution. The question that always rang in my head was, how can I solve this issue? Then I thought, I can't. I'm just a child. This made me upset, so I started thinking, what if?
In a changing and diverse world, I believe that it is important not to fall victim to the false narrative that life is a series of black and white problems and people that exist with no more nuance than we've been socially conditioned to see in them.
The games made should be more inclusive and reflective of their users, so that the things that matter to users can be felt on a deeper level, and the gaming industry keeps and attracts players of various backgrounds.
I think sometimes as humans, when we want to lift up the voices who aren't always heard or who have been pushed back for a long time, we tend to speak out and actually can speak over those people who we're trying to support.
We need to see different body types. Our world is filled with so many beautiful bodies. However, we often show the same one. Our generation deserves an honest and safe community.
Is in-person learning sustainable? Are we moving to a new era of learning? Will online/virtual learning become the new normal? What will school systems look like in years to come? School is more than a building. It is part of the social fabric of our children's lives.
I believe that personal finance should be a high school graduation requirement. It could go a long way in helping many of my generation avoid or lessen financial difficulties over their lifetime.
Getting students excited about computer science isn't just about video games or coding. It's about our collective future and the expansion of technology and information, because our future depends on the next generation of diverse leaders.
I have had a few questionable experiences with one-ply toilet paper. Therefore, today I will be ranting about why you should never buy this despicable product.
What can we do? Well, the number one thing is to get involved. Join a group or start a group that's pushing for these policies. Go call your representatives. If they don't listen, help elect representatives who will. Call me, I'll tell you more about this.
And we want to learn how to initiate this large-scale, top-down change. Support us in our activism and hear our voices.
If we're going to save our planet and ourselves, we need to do it together.
In the future, use the tools we're given by modern technology wisely. Question the story, dig for the truth, check your sources, and be careful and be responsible.
Building knowledge in your field of interest, identifying a problem, thinking differently, and being able to connect the dots are factors crucial to innovation, whether big or small.
Toss the imposter syndrome out the window and keep on pushing forward.
All it takes is a little intention and a little bravery. Will you be the person who takes the initiative and consciously makes the change?
I can be the change I want to see. I can create games and worlds that are representative of who I am and who I hope to become.
We have all been on our own rocky, turbulent boat that may feel ready to capsize, but it doesn't have to.
You, yes you and I are the people who can change the world by doing things. Whether you are a kid, an adult, a teen, a tween, or a senior citizen, be creative, invent, explore, and spread the word. I must thank my wonderful team of editors and researchers for their wonderful help and support. I also want to thank Mrs. Martinez for making this possible. Thank you.